Hey there, my name's David. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a Hugelkultur bed, which I've got the beginnings of here. So you first might be wondering, what's a Hugelkultur bed? It's when you layer a whole bunch of stuff like cardboard, like a bunch of branches and trees and sticks and stuff. And what I like to do is put my compost in there. What that ends up doing is having the sticks and the trees and the branches and stuff all break down slowly. It keeps feeding your plants over the years. It also creates a bunch of space underneath the soil so roots can move around a lot easier. I found it just makes things grow a lot better. So this is going to be my new Hugelkultur bed, but if we go over here, this is one. I built this one the same way. There's a big tree right in the middle there that's laying on the ground, so I can step into the middle of it. And while this looks a little junky and stuff, I've got grapes growing out of it because I buried a bunch of old grape cuttings down there. I've got rhubarb down here that's sadly been getting eaten by the deer, as well as some grass, but I've got a bunch of mint in here I've let grow crazy, some oregano and stuff in there. Got a cherry tree I put in here that might take off. Got some more rhubarb over there, black cap raspberry, got some chives in the corner. So yeah, things grow really well in here. I don't have to water it. I don't do anything with this. It just does this and it grows. And there's always lots of stuff here. So the idea with a Hugelkultur bed is you dig a pit and then you bury all the sticks. In this case, I have a whole bunch of cardboard too I need to get rid of. So we're going to shred that up, put it in there. You can see I have a bit in here. I was trying to kill off the weeds. So I'll layer that in the middle there, layer all the sticks, all the cardboard, and then I'll pour all my compost into that. And then you cover it with soil. And typically these Hugelkultur are kind of like in a pyramid shape like this, covered in soil. We'll see what shape this ends up being, but I'm basically just going to bury it all. And then I'll plant a bunch of stuff in there. So first up, I'm going to layer sticks and cardboard evenly. So you can see now I got all the sticks and the cardboard in there, which looks like a mess, and now I'm going to cover that with dirt. I'm going to pound that down with a shovel first, and then shovel all the dirt from the sides onto that. So next up I got the compost, and I've also got this white pumpkin. So I'm going to smash this on one end, probably down here. So if it does actually grow, it has some space to grow. And let's just dump all the compost in there now. All right, so we've got all the compost in there, water's in there, cardboard and the tree branches are in there. Now we just shovel it back in and we're done. And that's it, we're all done here. If you wanted to make it look nicer, you could get a rake out and rake it down. I don't care. Looks fine to me. It's all good to go. It's all stirred up, so we're just going to put some seeds here in the ground. And you can see everything's nice and buried. And I did chop up a bunch of these weeds, so I'll have to pull some of the grass and stuff as it comes back up. But yeah, we're good to go. Hope you enjoyed this episode, learned a little bit about Hugelkultur and how to set up one of these beds. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.